Come here. Come here. Come here. Good boy, we'll get you. Maybe tomorrow. Oh, keep yourself safe till we can get you, okay, baby? I know. Are you okay? Hi, honey. I can see you have some testicles that need to be removed. Yes, and it does not look like it's pretty well lit. Does not look like he has an ear tip. It's daylight, so I can see his ears. There's no tip. Different cat, different day, huh, Clara? Huh, chickie girls? Yeah. Maybe it's you, Clara. Maybe you attract all the cats here. Now this is one I really want to catch. Because he's definitely unneutered. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You need to get neutered. Come on, sweetie. Come on, step on the lever. Oh, come on, baby. Yes. Another neuter. One less baby making machine on the streets. You're gonna be okay. I know it's scary, but it's for the greater good. No more babies out there. I know you're not happy. What you can do is like round up little balls of food and poke it through the holes. Grain, of course. You don't want to let him out of this until he gets neutered. You don't need to worry about water so much as long as you give them wet food for moisture. And like I said, you can put the... He's going a little crazy. He's a little more feral. Hey, you're fine, baby boy. You put the wet food in little balls and stick... Not with your fingers, but just like safely, like up top or something, and let it drop down. And then you can always prop him up on bricks or something so that if he pees, it kind of, you know, goes, you know, downward off of his cage. So we will keep y'all updated. One less unneutered male on the streets. That's always a good thing. Plus, he'll be less likely to get cancer, and he will get in less fights because he'll, you know, less fights. He won't be mating, so less disease, all that good stuff. It's a win, a win, a win. So he's in our little porch area because I'm sure he has fleas and don't want them in the house. I'll keep a blanket over them. They usually pull that off, but at least it's nice weather, so he'll be okay. Who's out there, huh? Someone new, huh? Yeah, it once was you, wasn't it? Yeah. It once was you, Griff. Yep. And look where you are now. You're sitting on my dining room table, huh? Yep. Hey, honey. You're on your way to get neutered. I know. Okay, baby. Okay. Hi, honey.
Don't leave the door open.
Come on, Bubby.
Go ahead, Bub. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good boy.
I wish I could move it closer this way.
Come on, get in there.
Oh, his tail at the very bottom.
Come on, get your tail on there, too.
Good job, hon. You did it.
Okay.
Very good. Hi.